Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica in the key of D. A D harmonica is a versatile diatonic instrument, perfect for many musical styles, including blues, folk, and rock. It features 10 holes, each capable of producing distinct notes when you either blow air out or draw air in. Proper holding is crucial. Cradle the harmonica in your left hand to optimize sound projection and maintain control as you play. To play single, clear notes, begin with the pucker method. This involves narrowing your lips to isolate one hole at a time. Remember to breathe from your diaphragm, using gentle, controlled airflow rather than forceful blowing or drawing. An alternative technique is tongue blocking, where you use your tongue to cover multiple holes, allowing only one to sound. Experiment to find what feels most comfortable for you. Your D harmonica offers various musical positions. In first position, you'll naturally play in the key of D major, which is excellent for folk and country melodies. For a bluesier sound, switch to second position, also known as cross harp, which puts you in the key of A. You can play chords too. All blow notes on holes 1 through 4 form a D major chord, while draw notes on holes 1 through 4 create a major or a 7 chord. Consistent practice is key to improving your harmonica skills. Focus on playing clean single notes and scales regularly to build a strong foundation. Listening to experienced harmonica players will help you develop your musical ear and inspire new ideas. Once comfortable, try experimenting with bending notes, a technique that allows you to alter pitch and add expressive, bluesy inflections to your playing. Enjoy your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.